Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine wall-mounted. It offers up to 66% energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with an efficacy of up to 110 lumen watts. CoreLine wall-mounted is round and comes in a white, black or grey housing with an opaque cover. Matching half-moon accessories are also available. Thanks to the quality process of manufacturing and the materials used, they are suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. They are UVC resistant and feature IP65 and IK10 ratings. It has lumen outputs of up to 3550 lumen and comes in 2 color temperatures. The multi-lumen and multicolor options are available in one single luminaire. Regarding dimming options, it offers an integrating motion and daylight sensor with a step dimming configuration, 110 volts dimming, daily dimming, and smart lighting control. This means that it can be wireless connected to our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions are also available. Furthermore, you can experience easy and fast installation with pushing connectors and through wiring for a maximum run of 10 luminaires. And as a plus, it has the INEC mark. Thanks for watching.